Hello everybody. Today I show you how to take a full page screenshot of a web page in the Microsoft Edge. It's easy, it's not hard. You don't have to be expert in the tech to do it. Also, you don't need to buy anything, you don't need to download anything, or you don't need to do anything. Just they already have the application is already have in your computer. If you use your computer is a Windows 10, it's already there. You don't need to download or do anything. Just open and use it. Today I show you how to do it in Microsoft Edge. Now let's go to open Microsoft Edge and open the web page you want to take a screenshot. I already opened here. That's the Microsoft Edge, and I open my web page here. Now, if you want to take the picture of this web page, you should scroll all the way down to make sure all the image is show up before you taking the picture, because if the image is not show up, you when you take the picture it's not include all the image there, all images there. Now you there are many ways to get to the tool to take the picture. First, you can do the shortcut Control Shift S. It show off there are two options for you: free select or full page. That's the one way to open it. Another way to open it is that you go to the toolbar here. They have the three dots. Click on that and go down to the drop down here. Find the web capture and click on that web capture. It will open you the thing for you to do. That's the second way to open the web capture. Next, another way to open the web capture, you use the right click, the mouse use the mouse you using now. Right click on the web page and go to a drop down, select web capture, and they open the tool for you to do. Now let's go this way. Go to the three dots, go down to web capture. They have two options. One is free select, another is a full page. Let me go to a full page first for you. Click on the full page, and they will take the they already took it. They took a picture the entire page. See, from the top down to the bottom. It didn't miss anything. Then here you have many options. One is you can increase the stuff. I don't know what happened. I cannot erase this. Probably I need to draw something to be in order to increase. Now let's draw something. Click draw. Let me draw this one. And let me erase this one. See, this one. That means you have to draw something you don't like. You use this erase to erase it. Now let's draw again. You click on the drop down here. Change whatever color you want. I change the yellow. Not yellow is my. Let me choose this color, and now I draw over here. If I want this one thicker, I move this a little bit, the thickness to thicker, and I click on different color. I draw this. If I want this kind of thickness, I go maximum. I go maximum, and then I change another color, and I draw here. Let me see, I draw the house like this. Okay, that is how it works. This that's the option for you. You have three options. Another three options. One is to share. You want to share to your phone, your copy, or mail, or snip and sketch, or something like here. Another thing that you can go. Let me go this one for this one. This picture. That's you click and that is will save to your computer. Most of the time, it will save to the document folder or the save to the pictures folders. You can go to this folder to double check where it's saved, and then it's automatically open. That's an image for me here in the photo. So from here I can do whatever I want, edit, create, share, add, or delete. Let's see. Yeah. Then now I showed you there another way to make the thing. You can click here to get the copy of this page. You don't have to show. You click and it's already copy. And at the search box on the lower left of your computer, and click that's a search area. You type in the pen, and will open the pen app for you, and you paste whatever you just copy there, and then from there you do edit or whatever you want. That's for the front page. Next, now it's done. I can get I can across here to close this. And now let me open this again, like web capture. And there are two options, free select and front page. I just done the front page. Now go free select. I click a free select. For example, if I want this only, I just highlight this and release the mouse, and how they show up the two options for me. One is copy, another markup capture. Let me click markup capture, and then they open like in here for you. So where it's here for you can draw, erase, or share and copy and save whatever you want. That's for the markup something. Now let's try again. Let's try this. And I release the mouse. This is show up copy and markup capture. I click copy, and now it's a copy. Once again, you open the pen app. Like I just told you, go to the search box, type in the pen, and then you paste in here. I paste it in the pen section. And paste in the pen, and then you do whatever you want there. That's all. Yep. Anything I show you? I think that's it. That's a very much web capture. Once again, you can do shortcut the Control-Shift-S to open web capture. Another way is the three dot on the top right corner of your browser. The third way is the right click on the mouse and go to web capture to open it. From there you can take a full page, but make sure scroll all the way down before to take the picture. Or you can take a picture and then you if you find there's some image missing images, you can go there. You can redo it. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. Now there's the tool. Have this tool. You can go any web page. You take a picture and then you do whatever you want with that picture. Okay. Once again, thank you for watching. Bye bye.